In this video, I will be showing you steps to remove background from your image. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Step 1. In your browser, visit remove.bg. When the site is loaded, click on the upload image button. When after the image are loaded, then select the picture you wish to remove the background. So I'm selecting the lady in the red dress to remove the background. The background is removed. So click the download button to download your image. Let me check the image. Now you can see the background is removed compared to the first one. So you can see the difference. That's how you can remove background of your image. You could remove background from image as many as you like. Let's try another image. I will be selecting the burger image to remove the background. It is uploading. The background is removed. So click the download button. Let me check the image. As you can see, the background is removed. I hope you got value from this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.